Dad stays right on his wing. So in other words, it's Rosh's job to fly the mission. And it is Bud's job to just watch that wing and stay right on it. So his son has to communicate clearly all of the inputs on the aircraft. Give his dad the speed if he's adding more power. And again, total trust. As they roll the airplane around, Bud's got to stay right on his son's wing.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see it out here?
Switching positions now, Bud leads the formation as he now leads his son across the sky, arching over in a perfectly round loop. And again, dissimilar aircraft. They have different numbers that they must respect to keep the airplane's flying, speed, and the loss of energy. But again now, on a big barrel roll, around they go. And this time his son stays very focused on Dad's wing.